Alright, so in the previous video we have seen how to store our JSON payloads or JSON objects as documents in MongoDB, and let's see how we can access these files through our REST API. So let's say when I invoke this getAllPost function, it needs to return all the post that is stored in post collection. Right. So first thing I have to do is basically I need to call our post model, because that is the model that uses Mongoose to perform all the database related activities for us. So I will require that model like this, post model, and once it is requested we can make unnecessary functions over here. So I will go this line, and I need to use try catch block, because if you remember in the data manager we have seen how to construct an asynchronous message, therefore we need to use this try catch block. So the post controller, so let's say const dot const post and await post dot find. So find function basically return all the documents that is reside on our post collection. This gives an error because so we need to make this function as asynchronous. Async. Right. Then this will return all the post for us. So instead of returning sample post like this, I will cut this line and paste it over there, and I will replace this sample post with post constant. Right. Then if there is an error, I need to make that exception as well. Therefore I will simply return a message that says it failed, right? So message is error and the status is failed. I format the document as well. Alright, so this basically handles the exception, which means if there is any error with our post model, it will go to the catch block and it will send a failed message for the user. But if it is successful, then it will send a successful message with relevant post details, right? Then we can basically invoke this function by using postman, but make sure you are running this server. So I will close this one and I will run this server again. Then let's go to the postman and get all post. So this is the API call, so I will click send. Right, now you can see we have all the documents that are reside on our post collection. So that's how basically we can use our REST API to access our database. And in the next video, let's see how to do further stuff by using our REST API.